wonder how a renovation project starts? Well, I'm about to show you. So let's talk tech for a second. We had the opportunity to go to a local house here in Delaware, to their basement, to scan it up, and then create as-built drawings for it. The customer wanted to create a man cave down in the basement. His question was, how much space do I have? So the contractor hired us to go down there and to document, to show them how much space they were working with to eventually come up with a beautiful floor plan that the contractor could build off of. And that our signature service is called Scan to Plan, where we go out to the space, scan it, take hand measurements to make sure our measurements are accurate, and then we would take all of that information into Revit then to create a beautiful floor plan. Let's go. So we are in Revit. What you see here is a point cloud in the middle, and then you see exterior basement walls around. What we've done is we've brought in the point cloud, imported it first, drew the walls around the point cloud, and then we referenced our field notes to actually get the dimensions spot on. So let me click on this point cloud, and I'm just going to move this point cloud over. To get a clear view of the actual floor plan. Let's start left to right. So right here we have the floor plan, we have the stairs, HVAC unit. We also have structural members, the column. You also have the egress window here, another column back here. And then if we move over to the actual existing floor plan, we've added a lot of detail here. And that's only through referencing the point cloud. So sump pump, you have your overhead columns that are labeled, HVAC unit, stair, and this is a possible wet bar. This was from the plan that the actual contractor gave us. We always want to label overhead beams. This is very crucial, especially for renovations. We've located them here. These are proposed items in this floor plan, which will be actually deleted. So let me just go ahead and I'll take those out right now. Okay, so the actual floor plan is cleaned up. All our members are labeled, and this gives the contractor a really good idea of what's possible in this space. So from here, we're going to jump over to our renovation plan. And now we've given the contractor a full view of what is literally possible based on the customer's scope. So the customer would tell the contractor, okay, I want a theater, I want a family area, I want a bar, full bath, and then we boxed out the HVAC room, which is unfinished. And then we have a sump pump area, and then we've boxed out both the sump pump and the radon pump. And then here will be like some seating back here for guests, and this is the game area. So this really gives you a really good idea of how we can go from existing floor plan to an actual working floor plan that you can give the contractor to essentially build off of. I'll give you a 3D view, and this gives you a good idea of what is possible in this space and then the space relationships. So 2D floor plans are good, but really nothing beats a 3D floor plan, because what you can do is you can really get a sense of how big these spaces are, which is really crucial in 3D modeling and architecture. So that's it. So I've shown you how we go from point cloud to existing model to proposed to 3D model. Thank you. Peace.